watching. I'm going to be showing you guys how to silicone a shower. And yes, that is silicone is what you're going to be using on a shower. And the parts that we're going to be siliconing are little gaps right here, along the bottom, along this bottom, and along that edge, and that's it. Some things you're going to need: toilet paper or a rag. Wet rag would be nice too. I have a cup here with water and dish soap. The reason for dish soap is when you dip your finger in there, you can glide. That's the trick to silicone. And another thing is, if you're going to be doing this for the first time, you don't just squirt it and walk away. If you're not pressing it in there, you're not doing a good job. It'll end up cracking later, most likely. Okay, so got my silicone in my caulk gun, showing you guys the one I'm using. This is probably the most expensive one that they carried, because this is my home and I want to do a good job. So if you're using cheaper stuff for a contractor or something, but this is definitely something that I want to last, and it's the Gorilla Glue Clear 100% silicone. It says ready in 30 minutes. You're going to want to look for mold resistant, that's for sure, and something that's going to work in water, where it said over here, the first thing on this line is tub and tile. Crack, gaps, paintable surface is something you're going to want to take into consideration. But let's get started over here. I'm going to start squirting my silicone on and show you guys how I spread it with my finger.
The shower so I can take a shower.
Okay, you just lost your tooth yesterday, didn't you? Are you happy? Alright, we're going to start siliconing over here. We're going to start with this edge. Alright, I got everything positioned for you guys to see and watch. I'm pulling out my spacer tag that I have. Make sure that your surface is nice and clean. And you are ready to start caulking. Alright, I've got my area all cleaned up. I stuck some toilet paper in there, went back and forth, and now I'm ready to start caulking. And I've zoomed in as good as I could for you guys. And we're ready to start squirting. And what you want to do is, you see how I'm just letting it come out just a hair. Sorry for the loud noise in the background. Kids are running around and acting crazy. Alright, squirt it really good. I'm going to stop right there, and I'm going to come back this way. And sometimes if your edge for you beginners is cut at a little bit of an angle, that helps out. What I did right now, because I'm going to come from this angle, I've twisted it. If you could see that, I've twisted it where it's got a slope like that. Alright, so now I'm going to caulk this thing. Get 2 hands on it, and make sure you're holding real steady. That helps out. So. Alright, so we got that. And that's about it right there. Alright. So now I'm going to dip my finger in the soapy water. Like I said, it's going to help it glide. And I'm just running my finger across it. And you can just feel it pressing in and across it where it needs to go. And anytime you got some excess, you have your toilet paper ready. Wipe your hand. And that's how simple that is, guys. Let me zoom in over here for you guys. And you can see we got a nice seal. Alright, so that's about it. Oh, sorry for the cup. I'm probably going to hit that corner too, just in case. And all up and around it, so. I went from the inside of it, also put another bead of caulk on that side. And my seal is completely sealed on the bottom right now. And you guys can see it looks really nice. A little soap and water does the trick, guys. So I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Unless you want to continue watching in time-lapse mode, pretty much showed you guys what needs to be done. Give me a thumbs up. If not, continue to watch the time-lapse. Pretty much see me in the rest of the video touching up, going over it, looking it over, making it perfect. watching how to silicone a shower glass door. And if you learned anything at all from this video, just give me a thumbs up. That's all I ask. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.